Let's do a quick demo here. So when you go into the EpiReminder app, you can add an EpiReminder. From there, they'll pop up if the chip is nearby and on. I'm going to configure this one as my own medication and adult dosage, and then it pops up automatically. So you'll see who the medication's with, what temperature range it's in, how our battery for our device is doing, what type of alerts you have. And I'm going to go in here and change the expiration date so that I can get notifications when my medication is about to expire. Check to make sure that the alert sound is on and update the settings. And then if you're not the only one taking care of the medication, you can come in and add caretakers. So the second Liz here is from a second phone of mine, my Android phone, and I will add this person as a caretaker, meaning that when they're with the medication, then they get the notifications. When they're not, they don't get the notifications. And then you can see here some of the alerts that I've gotten with my son's actual Epi and some of the messages that we've shared with some of our actual customers. So now let's say most of this happens in the background. So I'm walking away from the medication right now. And there's the alert that says that I'm no longer near the medication. So that gives me the opportunity to go back and remember it before anything bad happens. And then the other thing that can happen is you can leave it in the car and it can get too hot. So in this case, you'll get an alert that shows that it's getting a little bit hot and you should cool it down. And when we go in the app, you can see here that the medication is too hot. You scroll down, the second medication I have is good. And you do have the ability to hand off to other caregivers. So here I'm going to hand off my son's medication to my husband, meaning that he is now in charge of it and our chip is looking for his phone. With SOS, if you are in a medical emergency, you can find the nearest person carrying the medication dosage that you need. So here I'm requesting a kid's Epi, and you'll see it notifies 3 nearby users that are carrying the kids' dosage. So a couple other features that I can show you. We have 2 different options for your alerts. And then if you click on Show Map, you'll see a pin for where your medication was last seen. Thanks.